I made a mistake in the last video, so this second video is just to correct that mistake. So on this problem right here, whenever I was looking at it, I actually saw find the cotangent, and since there was a D there, I was like, okay, well, we'll just do that. So I did the wrong problem. So we're actually wanting to find the secant of C. But in this case, these are similar triangles, and if you find trig functions of similar triangles, if you find this trig function of one triangle, you're finding the trig function of the other triangle with the corresponding angles. So what I'm trying to say is, even though we're looking for secant C, that's going to be the same thing as secant D, because C and D are the same size angle. Now, how do we find secant? Well, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So if I'm looking for secant C, which is the same as secant D, if cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, then we're just going to do hypotenuse over adjacent. And so what's adjacent to D? 12. And what is the hypotenuse? 37. So it would be 37 over 12. That does not reduce, so that would be your answer.